So think about how your staff is using social media. Is it as a representative of your company or your organization? Is it in a personal capacity? And then the bigger question is it clear to whoever is looking at that post and looking at that content, is it clear to them whether that's being done personally or as a representative? Now, if it is in a representative capacity, then what additional steps, if any, are involved? So let's go back to the Spaghetti-O for a second. You know, how many people at the company reviewed this and decided it was okay before it was out there? It makes you wonder. There's a little bit of a tension between sort of the general nature of social media, that it's supposed to be spontaneous, it's supposed to be real time. So there's a tension there with making sure that you're not putting something out there that really you shouldn't be putting out there. So you kind of have to find that balance between those two things. And then as far as disclaimers go, that really comes to if you have an employee or a representative of your company or organization who maybe has a blog or some other social media presence where it's personal, but maybe there's some gray areas where even though it's personal, there may be some indications on there that associate the person with your organization. And so you may want to think about disclaimers. And I'll talk more about those in a little while, because there have been some decisions by the NLRB where they've actually struck down certain disclaimers where companies have required their employees to use disclaimers, and the NLRB has said they were overly broad.